Sakshdeep Singh. Today is my presentation minimizing potential hazards of materials and finishes for buildings. Main topics: importance of material selection, common hazards of materials and finishes, potential hazards caused by unsafe materials and finishes, New Zealand regulations and standards, governing material safety in construction. Step for assessing material hazards. Conclusion. Importance of material selection. The main topic is material selection is a critical aspect of construction as it directly influences the safety, durability and sustainability of structures. The right choice of materials ensures that a building or infrastructure project meets its intended function, withstands environmental conditions and complies with safety standards. Proper material selection also contributes to energy efficiency and can have significant economic reaction in terms of maintenance and life cycle costs. Common hazards and finishes. Various hazardous materials and finishes are commonly used in construction, such as asbestos, lead-based paint, volatile organic compounds, and formaldehyde containing products. These materials can pose serious health risks to construction workers, occupants, and even the environment if not handled properly. The next step is potential hazards caused by unsafe materials and finishes. Unsafe materials and finishes can lead to a range of hazards, including problems, skin irritation, poisoning, and long-term health issues. Additionally, some materials may contribute to environmental pollution or be a fire hazard. It's crucial to understand the potential risks with each material and take measures to mitigate them. The next step is the New Zealand regulation and standards governing material safety in construction. New Zealand regulations and standards. Material safety in construction. In New Zealand, construction materials and practices are regulated by various laws and standards. The Health and Safety at Work Act 2015 and the Hazardous Substances and New Organisms Act 1996 are two key legislation addressing workplace safety and hazards. Additionally, the Building Code sets standards for construction materials and methods. The importance of durability, safety, and environmental sustainability. Steps for assessing material hazards. Identification the materials used in construction and their potential hazards. The second step is a risk assessment. Evaluate the risks associated with each material, considering factors like toxicity, flammability, and environmental impact. Regulatory compliance ensure that all materials comply with relevant New Zealand regulations and standards. Conclusion. Material selection is a crucial aspect of construction that impacts safety, health and environmental sustainability, identification and mitigating potential hazards, complying with the regulations and adopting best practices ensure that construction projects are not only successful but also safe for those involved and sustainability. For the environment, regular updates and evolving regulation are essential to maintaining high standards of material safety. In material selection is a crucial aspect of construction that impacts safety, and adopting best practices ensure that construction projects are not only successful but also safe for those involved and sustainability for the environment. Regular updates and evolving regulations are essential to maintaining high standards of material safety and construction.
Finish?
Okay.
You finished?
Material selection is a critical aspect of construction. Durability and sustainability of structures. Importance of material selection. Intended function withstands environmental conditions. With safety standards, proper material selection also contribute to energy and can have significant economic implication in terms of maintenance and life cycle. Unsafe materials and finishes can lead to a range of hazards including problems, skin irritation, poisoning and long-term health issues. Additionally, some materials may contribute to environmental pollution or be a fire hazard. It's crucial to understand the potential risks associated with each material and take measures to mitigate them. New Zealand regulations and standards. In New Zealand, construction materials and practices are regulated by various laws and standards. The Health and Safety at Work Act 2015 and the Hazards and New Organism Act 1996 are two key legislation addressing workplace safety and hazards. Additionally, the Building Code sets standards for construction, materials and methods. The importance of durability, safety and environment sustainability. Identification. The materials used in construction and their potential hazards. Risk assessment. Evaluate the risk with each material, considering factors like toxicity, flammability, and environmental impact. Regulatory compliance. Ensure that all materials comply with relevant New Zealand regulation and standards. Various hazardous materials and finishes are commonly used in construction, such as lead-based paint, volatile organic compounds, and formal containing products. These materials can pose serious health risks to construction workers, occupants, and even the environment if not handled properly. Conclusion. Material selection is a crucial aspect of construction that impacts safety, health and environment, sustainability, identification and mitigating potential hazards, complying with the regulations and adopting best practices ensure that construction projects are not successfully but also save those involved and sustainability for the environment. Regular updates to maintaining high standards of materials safety in construction.